Hello friends, welcome to my channel FinTech Logics. So today we'll talk about instant disbursement in case of JLG loan, or how digitization is helping in making disbursement journey a lot more smooth and time effective. So I have talked about JLG loan process in detail. If you have not seen my earlier videos, I'll try to provide some of the links here. Please have a look. So let's start the topic of our discussion today, that how digitization is helping in faster disbursements. So the first set of innovation or digitization in this aspect is the ability to have multiple accounts. So there can be multiple borrower accounts or payee accounts. Now payee accounts, if we want to have a disbursement control, I'll talk about disbursement control function in another video, but right now, just for simplicity, understand that the amounts can be disbursed either to borrower's account or to any other payee's account for the disbursement. Now any number of accounts can be given at the time of appraisal, and any of that account can be used at the time of disbursement. This is also added by a feature which is real-time bank account checks. So not in minutes, but probably in milliseconds, any account can be checked just before your disbursement to ensure that it meets all compliance norms for disbursement. Now, once your disbursement accounts are fetched, there has been innovation in making the entire disbursement approval as a straight through processing, or STP in this regard. So normally there are series of checks which are done before disbursements. So with your rule engine based approach, or with different enhancements of your rule engine flexibility, a set of rules can be run in milliseconds that will ensure that all disbursement norms meet, or the borrower also meets all regulatory terms for disbursement, for making a disbursement. This is facilitated by a real-time payment processing ability with integration with different types of payment gateways that widen the scope of bank accounts to a large extent. So there would be hardly any bank which is left probably in India at this point of time, to which your automated payment cannot be made in terms of disbursement. Definitely there is limit for every types of disbursement, but in case of JLG, looking at the value of 1 to 2 lakhs, it becomes probably needless to say that any account, any bank in India is covered under an automated disbursement facility. Not only that, with your payments or disbursements being made, real-time communication is also possible to borrowers and the other stakeholders to ensure that borrower is well aware about the disbursement completion. So these features make the straight through processing end to end, and bring down the turnaround time by a huge extent. To add to that, any kind of compliance checks can be now done automated with the help of technology. With this, there is also features developed for real-time accounting, as in posting on a loan account, even reconciliation of your disbursement to start your accrual process and all, can be also done in a automated or digitized way. So this not only reduces the hassles for your loan servicer, but also gives a lot of comfort to the borrower and the JLG agent as well. To add to all this, there has been 360-degree views or servicing apps which are provided to your borrowers and your DSS, your agents, direct sales agents, who would know about the disbursement process completion and starting up servicing on a fraction of second, and probably communicate the same to the borrower, or if the borrower is using the mobile app himself, he knows it immediately. So these are some of the digitization that has made the journey a lot more smoother, brought down the turnaround time of disbursement, and also added to customer satisfaction, borrower satisfaction to a huge extent. So this is in a nutshell about digitization. I hope you would have got an overview of the digitization in this aspect. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my video, viewers.